Hey guys, this is Siddharth here from Sid Tech, and today we'll be unboxing this Samsung Galaxy M31. Let's get started. We can start off by opening the seal at the back. Once we open the box, we find the phone itself. Let's keep the device aside for a moment and look at what we get in the box. We have some paperwork. We have the SIM ejector tool as well. We have the quick start guide, the regional lock guide, and the warranty card. We have the USB-C to USB-A cable. It has a 15-watt fast charger included in the box. It says adaptive fast charging. A case is not included in the box, which is very disappointing for the price.
A few moments later.
This device has a plastic back and a plastic frame which just looks like glass. Let's check out the SIM slots. It has 3 slots, one micro SD card slot, one nano SIM slot and another nano SIM slot. This device has a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display which is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 3. It has a quad camera setup which includes a 64 megapixel main camera. It has a single 32 megapixel selfie camera.